I'll never catch him while I'm this small. Why, curious butterflies.
You mean bread and butterflies?
Oh, yes, of course.
Hey beautiful people from across the world, welcome to my channel. My name is Ebuka aka planboy.ng, and today is actually going to be a fun video because I'm in the home of my dear plant friend Esther. I'm going to link her Instagram so you can check out her page. She is a plant mom to a lot of plants, and I'm going to be touring her room. She has like every plant parent's dream lighting situation going on. She has south facing windows and she also has an east facing window in her room, and she's actually very camera shy. She has refused to show up in this video. I have begged her, offered money, offered everything. She said no, so she's actually going to be behind the scenes, give you some behind the scenes commentary, and she's also helping me record this video, so it's going to be fun. So let's go. So the first thing you notice when you come into this auntie's room is her very beautiful door. But moving on to the plant, she has this beautiful, rather amazing philodendron Xanadu. These guys are really unique in that they manifest in different forms or cultivars. There are different types of Xanadus. Abby, not so,
yes,
Esther. I really like yours. I can see there's even some new growth popping out as well. So this gets like south exposure, right?
Yes, it does.
South light exposure.
Yes, it does.
We're gonna show you guys the lighting situation she has in her room. But would you say this plant is easy to care for?
It's actually very easy to care for. Like, you just have to water it when it's dry, then you're good to go.
Yes, Auntie Esther coming through with the care tips. And then before we move on to your absolutely amazing and beautiful neon pothos, I see a cute little pothos enjoy. You hung it over here, and you have this handmade,
That anger that I made, yeah.
She personally made it from scratch with her hands, and she actually sells them as well. I'm going to link her Instagram where you can actually check it out, and if you want to buy, you buy from, support a black woman today. Moving on, there's a very beautiful neon pothos. Oh my god. My quick backstory, guys. I think I made a post on this on my Instagram, planboy.ng. Follow that, please. I made a post about this, and in Lagos, these guys are not very easy. They're not that common, but Esther has a lot in her house, and she's hoarding them. This is such a massive one. Wow, beautiful. So, would you say these guys are easy to care for as well?
Definitely. They are very, very easy to care for.
And where you have it placed, it's making the neon color pop out.
Yes.
It's making it pop out, right? It's making it pop out. And then you also have a smaller trailing one here.
It's so beautiful. I really love her.
Do you name your
Beautiful.
plants?
No, I don't. But I just don't name them as
Men. Esther had like a very funny joke. She was like, anytime she refers to her plants in male pronouns, they end up disappointing her. So I love this social situation going on. It's cute. You have so many cute paintings here and pots. I'm a sucker for snake plants. This is a Sansevieria. I remember I told you the name of this plant. I'm going to put the names I can't below. But it has this very funky name.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Something 1, 2, 3, 4 the name here. And you feel like it's going to get sufficient light.
Yeah, I just take it out like once in a while to get like that.
Anyways, I'm still going to show you the window situation. This babe has lots of windows. And the abroad people, when I say the abroad, I mean people that live in like America, the West, overseas. This is a Monstera pinapatita. This is the juvenile form of it. It hasn't started fenestrating yet. And these guys are very common here in Nigeria, like really common. So I was quite surprised when I heard that they were very rare overseas. Okay, so then you have your mic cams. Esther has made so many videos with this I don't want to sing the song she always sings so that we don't get, so that the owner of the song doesn't copyright us. But it's a very popular song that has sunshine in it. I love this cute ornaments you have green as well. And then this painting is absolutely adorable. Did you paint this, babes?
No, I didn't.
Of course not. It's so cute. And then, oh my god, I love these guys so much. Adam Suni, you just watered this, so
Yes,
it's
I did.
dripping. Beautiful, very easy, fast green. I definitely recommend these guys to beginner plant parents. I really love this cute pot you have here. It goes so well with this. She doesn't want to tell me where she got the pot from. It's cute, really nice. Esther, I'm trying to convince Esther that this is actually a bird's nest.
I'm actually not sure.
But sis is like, what do you think this is?
It's a friend one, not just so sure.
Oh, and I can see you're also a crystal collector.
Yes.
You're into the whole crystal movement.
Yes.
Cute.
Yes.
Which is your favorite here? Sorry for digressing, but you know, let's have
This
a
is
quick
actually
crystal
my
moment.
favorite. This is
Nice.
actually my favorite. I have it like everywhere. I take it up everywhere. I have it in my bag.
And I love it in this cute basket.
Cute.
Okay, quickly back to the plants now. We have Syngonium. Is this an arrowhead? Like, this is obviously an arrowhead, like a white
Yeah.
butterfly, right?
I'm thinking it's a pixel, but
What the F is a pixie?
we'll check it out.
Is it a pixie? We'll check it on Google and I'll confirm whether it's what she calls it or not. And then, oh yeah.
Oh,
I hope my hands can stretch to this place without damaging and throwing the plants. This is a philodendron lemon lime
upright.
upright. Yeah, there are two variants of this. There's the one that is small and compact, and there's which is this, and there's one that climbs up. These guys are not as easy to come by in Lagos. So I don't know about other parts of Nigeria, but in Lagos, these guys, so this would be an uncommon find.
Yeah.
Def happy.
And they are very easy. I'm actually a very lazy plant mom, so I always go for a very easy plant.
So if you are lazy like she is,
Yeah.
get you this plant. Philodendron lemon lime upright. And then this corner of Esther's room is actually my favorite corner. I love how you set it up there.
Yeah.
I had to bring out the British accent for this one. I love on Birkin.
My pride and joy.
And you guys watching this in the US, you might see this as a common plant, but over here in Nigeria, they are not easy to come by,
Yes.
and
They're
like
expensive.
they're expensive.
Don't come steal my
I might steal this plant. And then you have this cutie pie. This I love this this is obviously Cheflera, but I love yours. Yours is so unique. I love the color. I have the more common one over here. I have it. I still love that one, but this is absolutely. If you guys have noticed, she uses all like sheer see-through curtains, which plant parent tip. If you want to bring plants indoors, either have your curtains completely open half of the time or use these guys. And then, of course, the iconic Monstera Deliciosa. These guys,
Monstera Queen.
yes, the Monstera Queen, because Esther has this your dried. I call this dried feathers. What are they? dried leaf situation, and I love the basket. Adorable. We love a stylish plant, mom, don't we? The ZZ. This is an iconic house plant. I like. As long as you resist the urge to water. Esther, I have to expose Esther again. Esther, please show them everything. Stop showing them only the new ones. Show them. Look at how dusty. I told Esther I was coming to her house, and she's like, okay. And she didn't clean up this plant. But look, I love this painting.
Shout out to Aisha.
Whoever Aisha. Shout out to love the paintings, and then over here there's a basic plastic chair. We're not going to focus on that.
Yeah.
Wow. We have your rubber plants, Nikki. I'm a bit jealous of yours because mine is not nice. It's not nice. But how would you say? Give us care tips. What are you doing to this plant to make it pop?
abandon this plant. Forget about it. Don't water it. Resist the urge to water this plant.
Yeah, basically just stop there.
Just don't do it.
Plant waterer.
Yeah.
And then
Oh my lord.
Esther has been trying to get me into these guys.
I don't know why Ebuka has refused to get this plant because it's actually very beautiful and then it flowers as well.
They're a bit basic, not so.
They're not bad. So I actually grow this one outside and then
Confession.
I grow it outside.
Okay.
But whenever I want to admire the plants, I bring them inside.
Okay, do you mind if we just show the window? This is your east facing window.
Yes.
This is the Laurentine and this is the green one. I don't know why. I have it cool, guys. Sorry. Are you painted this? So I want to show you guys the situation she has down here. I like how you've actually arranged this your floor plan. I do think you need a stand anyway.
Yes, I'm planning on getting some.
Yeah, so you have your Philodendron gloriosum.
Yes.
These guys, would you say they are easier to find in Nigeria?
Yeah, they're actually easier to find here, but I don't think a lot of people have actually noticed these plants yet.
I feel like this plant might be like the next big thing in Nigeria because I get a lot of people asking me to source it. And their prices are gradually going up.
Yeah.
So another one that it's not a common one is your Pride and Joy. This is a black gold Sansevieria. I have a very big one as well. I love yours. And these guys are not common generally.
No,
I mean, if you're a Sansevieria collector, this is what you want to have in your collection. And more gloriosums as well. Interestingly, you're growing I think this is a bromeliad. This is a bromeliad. You're growing a bromeliad. You said you've had this for a while.
For a while, I've had it for more than 6 months.
Has it grown for you?
It's quite slow. It's a bit slow.
I don't really have any experiences growing bromeliads.
Yeah, but I just have this one. I've not really paid attention to it.
Yeah.
But it's growing.
Yeah. And then, guys,
My darling.
this is a philodendron. Did I just call this a philodendron?
A Syngonium
albo. These guys are highly prized overseas. They are quite priced overseas, right? And they, but here, I think they're also quite rare here.
They are quite rare here.
They are quite rare, but they are not as pricey.
No, just look at them.
It's-
They are all very different.
How long have you had this?
Say I got it in February.
So let's do the math. Do the math. In February of 2021. Nice, and then you have the more common
Pink.
pink.
Yeah, but this is like the matured one.
Yeah. I hope you liked it. Esther is incredibly camera shy, so she couldn't show her face. But she's promised me, because she has way more plants in other parts of her room, she's promised me next time I come to tour, and there will be next time, I'm going to show her face. She's going to, in fact, I'm going to be the one behind the camera while she does the tour. But yeah, this was such a beautiful tour. I hope you liked it. I'm going to do more of this, hopefully. So please subscribe to the channel and follow our individual page on Instagram. My page is planboy.ng. I don't know offhand, but I'm going to insert it. I will say, please go and follow our page. Thank you so much. Bye. See you in the next one.